Welcome back to Python programming. Now the topic is strings. The general string is with the double quotes or single quotes we can use. Let us say okay, A is equal to, let us say, hello world. So if you write print A, it prints the value of hello world. Just we'll see the notepad itself directly. So take an example, file new. Here let us say A is equal to hello world and print A. Yeah, just save it. String dot py, save. Now command prompt, yes, cd desktop, cd. Okay, here we can write python. Okay, the program name is, okay, here string, right? So like this, so it prints hello world. Okay, now we can do some other operations, like let us write it like this. Let us say, so b is equal to, you can write doc strings. So this is a doc string, print b. Just save it and run the program again. Yeah, like this, hello world, this is a doc string. So this is the way we can so this way we can use strings. Actually, some topics which is related to some, how we can do the slicing. Slicing is the one topic because it's very important while discussing. And concatenation, and sometimes we can use actually format you have to use while the different situations I will explain in just. And something like escape character, when you can use the escape character. So and something like so some of the examples, like how we can use the string like string applications, string methods actually. So string methods. So these things we'll discuss actually. Now start with the string slicing first. The string slicing. So what is the string slicing actually? So here in a string, okay. So hash string slicing. So very important concept, because many times we can use the slicing actually. Let us say a is equal to hello world. So already it is given, right? A is equal to hello world. Okay. Then print a of 1 down to. So what it prints actually, just see. So yellow, just see what it is printed. CLS, okay. So here it is printed yellow. Let us say it 0 to 8, let us say. Then see here 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 0 is to 7 means, so up to the n, 0 to n means n minus 1, 0 to n minus 1 values are printed. So that thing you need to remember. Okay, here it prints 0 to n minus 1. If it is n minus 1, if it is 8, it's 8 minus 1, 7. That way it is prints. Okay, so that thing is very important. Okay, so many aspects how we can print. Okay, one more thing. let us say prints, let us say, so I'm not given anything like here, otherwise I given some. So 0 east, if I given like this, so what it prints actually, just see hello world. Yeah, it is also printing the same. So both are same here, we can need to understand. Okay, let us say if you print like this, let us say 2 east, uh, nothing, let us say what it prints actually, hello world. See here, if you giving as 2 means 2 means 0 1 2, 2 means L, from L onwards remaining things, so this will be print. So it prints from 0 onwards till 7th position, it prints from the second position to till end. So that thing you need to remember. Okay, so let us write 2 to 8. Okay, 2 to 8. See here, the 2 to 8 means from the second 2 onwards till 8. It's no, it is up to world, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 means up to 0. Okay, so one more important concept, let us say minus 2, let us say the minus 2 to minus 8, let us what it prints, just see. It prints the same, but just see here, O is so no, here let us say minus 8 to minus 2, just see. Okay, just see here, minus 8 here, 0 7 is this one, so minus 1 minus 2, this is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8, minus 8 to minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 WRLD RL WRLD minus 1 minus 2. So here also one number is being increased, right? So that's the way it is printing actually, just you see here. So you need to remember that if the minus means you need to start from this point. Okay, the minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8. Okay, and the minus 2 means you need to take minus 3, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, so minus 3 it is odd, like this printing is takes place. So this is about how the minus things will be there. Okay, this is about a slicing, right?